all doing? So this particular notification which we have brought or which we are bringing in front of you is regarding the medical officers. So yes, people from all over the India, rather the doctors from all over the India can apply for this post. It's coming from West Bengal Health Recruitment Board. It's the official website, and you can just go and watch because they have a great vacancy which has come up for you guys, and this is a reserved category vacancy, so the unreserved candidates will not be able to apply, and this is a special motivation or a special second cycle for the reserved candidates, whether you are from the OBC category or from the SC category or ST category. Well, yes, the unreserved candidates from the PWD category, from the physically handicapped or the privileged category can apply, but the normal general medical doctors cannot apply for this particular post. But yes, it's a great recruitment drive by the West Bengal Health Recruitment Board. Let's see what exactly this notification is all about. So we have been talking about lots of medical officers vacancy on our channel, and yesterday as well we were discussing about the vacancies which have come up for the medical doctors, and this particular vacancy is the GDMO vacancy. As you all can see, recruitment for general duty medical officer. As I already mentioned, it's the special drive for reserved categories second cycle. The online registration, as you all can see, I'll just zoom the page a bit for you so that you're able to see the official website, guys. Now, this is a very important notification. People keep on searching for Telegram and the other social media groups for all these notices, but you can only see that on the official website of West Bengal Health Authority, which is www.hrb.wb.gov.in, and the online registration and submission of application form. So remember, it's an online registration. The dates are starting from today, that is 17/10/2025, from 10 a.m. to 28th November 2025, 2 p.m. So you have approximately more than 1.5 months for applying for this particular post. The edit window, guys, once you have filled up the application form, you have the privilege of editing it, and the edit window will be available on the similar website from 1st December to 3rd December, right? And it's a special drive for reserved categories, and except you are PWD are eligible to apply. Right now it's a bit temporary, but it's likely to be permanent, because if you work very nicely, they will put you on a permanent job, as they've mentioned. So let's talk about the scale of pay. Talking about the basic pay, guys, the basic pay rises from 56,100 in pay matrix, which is level 11 as per WBHRB rules 2019. Now, talking about the anticipated vacancies, well, I have told you that you have total of 403 vacancy. Let's watch the distribution, how it goes. So the name of the post, as I already mentioned, is General Duty Medical Officer, GDMO. And the post is first for gender, male and female. And there's no post for unreserved categories and unreserved ex-servicemen and all that. But the actual post is for the reserved candidates. As you can see, let's break it down. SC category, ex-servicemen in group post is not there, but you come down to ST, you have 206 posts for ST people. Can you see this? So all the people from the ST category, you have 206 posts. Moving on to OBC category A, you have 1 post. For OBC category B, you have 64 posts. Okay, it seems like there had been a general drive earlier, but these are the latent entries in the second cycle wherein the vacancies were left empty. There was nobody who got recruited. Moving on to unreserved PWD category, you have 119 vacancy. It's a great drive from the West Bengal Health Authority initiative, and an initiative from them, because they have actually shown that the physically disabled people are no less than the normal people in the society. They've brought up the vacancy of almost 119 for this particular post, and here, as you can see, if we jot down the total number of posts, it's 403. 403 posts for the General Duty Medical Officer in West Bengal. Now here comes a question, what is the eligibility? Coming down to eligibility, the method of recruitment is by selection. It's a direct recruitment through West Bengal Health Recruitment Board. Qualification, very simple. You have to be an MBBS degree doctor and a registered medical practitioner. Well, people from the other states can also apply. I repeat, people from the other states can also apply, but after your appointment is done, you have to get registered with the West Bengal Board within 6 months of joining the West Bengal Health Service. So they have properly mentioned from anywhere all over the India you can apply, and age is not more than 36 years on the first day of January, and 40 years for those possessing postgraduate qualification. right? And further age relaxation is also there for the reserved category people. Now, what things you should have? For age proof, guys, you can give admit card or mark sheet of certificate of 10th standard or the government ID proof. In case of married men, if you are using the different surname, you have to give the temporary surname and also the permanent surnames testimonial. Moving on to the fees, if you move on to the fees, it's 210 rupees for application. Money order, check, bank draft and cash, etc. shall not be accepted. You have to pay only through banks participating in the government receipt portal system, which is the GRIPS. This is a very important notification, guys. You cannot pay through any other mode of payment. You can only pay through this bank who are participating in the GRIPS. Now, moving down to the relaxation cause. Relaxation cause, as you can see, scheduled caste relaxation year is 5 years. You have no fees to pay. ST people also no fees to pay. OBC category ones have to pay the fees, and the age relaxation is 3 years, 3 years, and this is the entire scenario. Also, doctors who have served under this state government to an extent equivalent to the period of less than 1 year have a relaxation of 0 years. So if you have an experience already in the West Bengal Council, you have a great age relaxation as well over there also. Moving on to the marks distribution, so your academic marks will be counted 70 marks. For that, experience is 15 marks and the interview marks is 15, so you get total of 100 marks. Your evaluation will be done on this. Now, what's the marking criteria, guys? As you all can see, MBBS degree included in the first schedule, total 70 marks. If you are an FMG graduate, then also 70 marks. Distribution category is this. And registered as medical practitioner, this is this. Marking criteria for experience, total marks is 15 years. So you get 15 marks for an experience. Minimum month should be 6 months. Right? So this is the detailed notification regarding, so we have talked, if you are an Indian registered dentist, Indian registered doctor, I'm sorry, like if you have done MBBS from India and if you are registered with the MCI, well and good. But if you are an FMG graduate also, you still can apply for this particular post. They have given several other, criteria for the FMG people also. So you all can also see. Then they've given the requisites for experience. So if you have got experience, there are certain other requisites given for you. So it's a detailed notification. You can find it on the West Bengal Health Authority website. And these are the different departmental things to be thought over. So guys, as I already mentioned, West Bengal Health Recruitment Board has put up almost 403 vacancies for you as the government medical officer, the general duty medical officer. The application starts on 17th October and ends on 28th of November. So 17th October to 20th November, more than 1.5 months. You all can apply whether you are a registered doctor in West Bengal or not. From all over the India, you guys can apply. If you're an FMG graduate, then also you can apply. So go check out this particular vacancy on the West Bengal Health Recruitment Board and apply for the post. You've got a great vacancy coming up. Till then, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment if you have any other questions, and keep watching and keep joining us on Academically.MedPrep. Thank you so much.